Hi, welcome to this session. In this session, we will learn elements in HTML. Elements basically consist of a start and end tags with the content and sum of consist. Without content, we'll see what they are. The basic syntax of the element will start like here. You will see that start tag name, paragraph content here or something, the text here, and slash forward slash with the help of this less than, end tag name, and close of the tag name. Till now we observe that the that element is everything from the start tag and end tag respectively. See, the basic paragraph tag will be shown here like paragraph P, start with the P, my paragraph text, I am writing something here, it will be displayed at a browser page, and end tag of the P, it will be like this. The BR tag is an element used for break line. The BR tag, it's used for break line to split one line into the next level of the line. For that the purpose we will use the BR. Okay. And now here element inside the element called nested elements. HTML form will have nested elements to create HTML document. There is an see here the example. The basic HTML tag will write with the help of not capital letters of doc type space HTML, which is indicates and which will tells to the form to this is an HTML form. The browser will identify this is an HTML form by declaring this line. The browser will tell that the identification of this is an HTML5 document, and where we are using the tags of that particular form, it will be treated as an this is the tag where we need to treat it's an HTML5 language, and this is the option we need to populate in this particular web page. See, the open tag of HTML, every HTML page it's need to be maintained this HTML open tag and end tag of HTML, and within the HTML tag we have to write body tag, see here, and h1 tag first heading here, and p for the paragraph tag. All we have discussed and shown the examples. See here, this is the example. I'll display you here, and removing this is the text earlier class. Yeah, even style also have removed. Now observe that the first heading, paragraph, and comment line is here. Save the line, first heading here. Okay, and now it won't be displayed. These are the tags, and these HTML tags which won't be displayed at client place. It remains at code page only. While executing of the output, this is the browser, Google Chrome I am using. Browser page only showing that inside the tags there is a text, it will be displayed at a browser page. Okay. And now we will see about this explanation about the example have written here. The above said example consists of HTML elements. These are the HTML elements we have written with the start tag and along with the end tag. And one is the HTML, and end of the end tag of the HTML defines the whole document. Okay, see here also it's showing representing here. And second body and body open start tag and end tag of the body. This is the start tag and this is the end tag of the body, and document body it will indicates what is the text within the body, it will be represents majorly. Okay, see here this is the body and first tag, end tag h1 and h1 tag, and body end tag. From here to here it will be displays the text between the body with along with these tags representing this is the text will be displayed at client side. Okay. In other two elements consist base elements, h1 and p tags will call it as base elements. Strongly remember. And now this is the body h1p, it's showing here. The third one where we are applying for h1, we see here now comes to that place. h1 and h1 /h1 is the end tag of h1 tag, and the document it's majorly takes a heading tag. See, this is the example h1, and my first heading will be displayed at the output of the client side. h1 tag it is displays. Okay. Fourth one, here it is an p indicates paragraph, start and end tag of the paragraph. Start with the defense of the content of the paragraph will be displays. See here, p indicates first paragraph here. All we have covered at the place of this example. You see here the p like this. I am using Notepad++ for the easiest of one. If I selected first tag, it will automatically shows the end tag. So we can easily understand where the tag is starting and where it is ending. Okay, like similarly this is the paragraph, and if I selected body, it will be select the starting of the body like way. The way we can easily understand to write the HTML code. And don't forget to miss the start tag, either start tag or end tag. It's a very important while writing the HTML code. Not only HTML, any of the programming languages or scripting languages, you have to stringently maintain and follow the scripts of the pages codes, and basic syntaxes is very important for freshers as well as beginners. Don't forget about it, it's very important. And start tag, if it is missing, that is an example it's showing here. HTML body, first heading here, and there is a no tag, starting tag, it's a written only end tag. Similarly, the first paragraph is here, it's representing, end tag is showing that paragraph, there is a no start tag. It may occur the error pages, strongly remember. Okay, and the above said example missing of the start tag will produce an error. The better tag understanding of the start tag and end tag references of Notepad++ I am recommending. You choose any of your you comfortable with the editor if it is a more facilities which is showing rather than Notepad++. Notepad++ is an open source community version is available. You can freely download it and install, and you can test it with your forms. Okay, now we'll see the end tag missing example. Now it's an HTML is the common for HTML pages, body, and h1 is the starting tag is available here. There is a no end tag over here, and similarly the p is a starting tag is here. There is a no end tag for paragraph. It's showing clearly. While it's the missing of the end tag, the same it may leads to that may occurs the errors. Above said example, if missed end tag will produce an error output of the form. Even you missed end tag, some browsers will give proper output, but whereas W3C it's recommending, and most of the recommendation people, they will tell always better to use the start tag as well as end tag to write in a good manner the scripting in programming languages of HTML or any other software development using of the programming languages. And come to the empty elements. The BR, there is a tag for, we discussed in the starting at the session, it's a break line. For the purpose we'll use the BR tag, whereas tag is an empty element. Will tell that without closing element it is used for the line break only. The P, this is the testing paragraph. I need a break line here, and this line to be go on the next line. I am written here the break line, here tag. To enter more lines here, the paragraph end. Hence there is no end tag for the break line. We will see for this is an example how it will be presents the PR. Yes, see here I am pasting here with that break line to be displayed. We will see output how it would be. This is testing paragraph is first line, and the to enter more lines here is the second line. It will be displays this paragraph. Okay, we'll see how it would be. Refreshing here, see below this paragraph it will be displays the text. Yeah, this is the paragraph, testing paragraph. To enter the more lines here, 2 lines have you observed here. Like similar way, you to practice many by using many breaks. How many breaks you are using? With the single break, it will take single splitting of the particular line. Okay. Now we'll see lowercase tags. For better HTML tagging and using, always try to use lowercase letters only for the best suggestion which you need to understand. For example, if I am writing a body tag like lowercase letters, body is in a small case, lowercase letters only I am writing, and end tag also the same thing we have to write. Recommended, not recommended like the following, like small b, small o, capital D, Y, and capital B after end tag of capital B or O, D, Y. Like these type of tags are not recommended. Some browsers may identify this is the body, some browsers may not identify, may leads your program in crosses and a page loading error occurs. If you are understand to write it in a small case, lowercase letters, all the browsers will identify that this is the body only, and the browser compatibility also it will be taken care of such a without writing an error of the program. Okay. And this is what we are discussed about the context of the elements what we have using on HTML language. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views regarding this. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.